Simple recipe for garden fresh salsa. For large tomatoes, diced 1 small red onion, finely chopped. 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and minced 1/2 cup fresh cilantro, chopped to cloves garlic, juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. In a bowl, combine diced tomatoes, chopped red onion, minced jalapeno, chopped cilantro, and minced garlic. 2. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the mixture. 3. Stir the ingredients together until well combined. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Allow the salsa to sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes before serving to let the flavors melt. 6. Adjust salt, pepper, or lime juice if needed. 7. Serve with tortilla chips or as a topping for tacos, grilled chicken, or fish. Enjoy your fresh and flavorful salsa.